Welcome to another edition of Flaming Barrel of Monkeys Tech Junkies. I'm Sean McGoey. Today we have mail call. Happy Friday to everyone. So let's get to it, see what we got. So the first package that we got is from Ugg Green. Let's see what this is. Grab my trusty box opener. Let's see what we got. Okay. First thing is excellent. It's a cable. Deluxe computer cable. The reason why I got this is I'm working on modifying my Sony Action Cam safety case, or the waterproof case, so I can use a external mic with it while it's in the protective case. Let's open this up and see how it looks. So right now I'm waiting for that to come in. I ordered a new one. Nice. So it's a L bracket connector with a straight, which would go into your external mic, which I'll be using it with my wireless field mic system that I'm using right now. So, nice cable. It's a flat cable, which is nice. Goes so when you're setting it up, and if you're rolling for to run the cable through the casing, it'll be a lot easier. So it's a decent construction. We'll see how it works when I receive the case for my Sony Action Cam, which I'm actually recording on right now. I like the style look of the fisheye lens. Gives it a nice artistic view. Okay, anything else come in there? Nope, nothing else. Let's go to our next, which this might be the case that I ordered. A lot of my orders have been coming really quickly, which I really appreciate. Let's see. Yes, it is. Excellent. So I might do a DNI mod on setting up an external mic, or running an external mic out of the case. Here's what the case looks like. It's for my Sony Action Cam. Open it up, take a look at it. Very nicely packed. I got this off of eBay. I think I paid like 10 bucks for it, which is really, really cheap when they're going for like 19, 20 bucks. Awesome. So I can work on that. That's really great. I don't remember where it came from. Let's take a look at the case itself. Let's see. Let's take a look. Comes in this nice protective bag. Hope everyone's week went smoothly. Oh, there it is. This is a little bit different than the one that I got with my case, or with the original case. Huh, that's interesting. It's that's what the case looks like. Things that I notice about this one versus the other one, there's no way to turn it on and off on the side. This looks like a decent case. It doesn't have it looks like it's everything's waterproof in it. Oh, that comes off. Slides on. So, well, I'll have to look at that, see what the difference is. Has a little push button. Well, so that's what it looks like. And this is the SPK AS1 waterproof case. So there's another case that's like this that is has the lens is a little bit broader, and that's for waterproof. But for the most part, $10, can't beat it, and it'll definitely work. I'll be able to modify this. So yeah. So now let's see what's the next thing that we got. Put that back in the box like so. Let's go to the next. So I got 2 pieces for my project I'm totally excited about. I can work on that this weekend. Garbage, and the last, which I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It's something from time-sensitive material. I believe this is from Wish. Either Wish or it might be from eBay too. All these 3 things were from eBay. Yes, it is. It's my mic stand for the mic that's to the side of me. My temporary mic stand worked all right, but it just wasn't what I wanted. Nice. So this is what it looks like. That's the SKU. I think I paid like I forget. I think it was like $16 or something like that for this, which is really reasonable. Actually, I think it was less than that. I might have paid 10. I'm not sure. But yeah. So I thought I would get a professional mic stand so I can move it around if I need to when I'm doing recordings and such. Came nicely packed. Just trying to get this out. Now, a little bit up. Comes with the brackets. That goes to the table and and the mic and the little instructions. Join us, need help. Excellent. So that's it for mail call for today. Got some cool things I'll be doing some reviews on, which is really cool. I have some stuff coming in. Well, I might do a D&I converting a Sony action cam casing, so you can modify it and set up your wireless mic to it or any other external mic. So remember, we have a contest going on. April 2nd is the deadline for the contest. Right now we haven't been doing very good. We don't have that many subscribers. That's the only thing you need to do for the contest to be eligible to win. So subscribe. If you subscribe, then you're in. Right now we have, I believe, 3 subscribers. So we need to get, for the first drawing, I need at least 100 people. Out of that 100 people, you could be chosen to win a prize. After the 100, then we're going to be drawing for the 500 people. And then after that, it'll be 1,000 people. And after we hit that mark, the grand prize is going to be 1,500 people. So you will be eligible from the 100 to the 1,500 to win a prize. Make sure you like us on Facebook, Twitter, and of course on YouTube and Ustream. We appreciate all the support that we get out there from you, the viewers, and our tech community. Well, keep on teching on, folks. We'll see you in the next review. Have a good day. Here at Flaming Barrel Monkeys Tech Junkies, we would like to thank you for viewing our reviews and news. One thing you guys can do if you would like to help out, we have a Patreon site that you can go to. The site, you can donate pennies, dollars, whatever you can donate. We appreciate anything that we get from our fans. We do not take any money from companies to do reviews. All the reviews that we do, the tech that we review, comes out of our pockets. So we all the equipment that we have not taken any money for any of the equipment. We have not gotten any of the equipment for free. We actually pay for all the equipment that we need to put together these productions, newsreels, and everything else. So it's out of pocket from us. So any contributions that our fans can give, we muchly appreciate. So keep decking on, folks, and we appreciate you appreciate it. Have a good day.